subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Galaxy A02s back in November last year, the company is now reported to launch the successor of it as Galaxy A03s. And before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders and key specifications has surfaced online by 91 Mobiles in partner with OnLeaks. According to leaks, the Galaxy A03s will support a tall 6.5-inch display with V-shaped notch at the top center that will house an 5-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to feature a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include one 13-megapixel primary camera along with the two 2-megapixel cameras. The volume rockers along with the fingerprint sensor equipped under the power button is visible on the right edge, while on the left appears to have ejectable SIM card slot. And at the bottom it has microphone, speaker grill, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone is set to measure at 166.6 by 75.9 by 9.1mm. And apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A03s has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A03s smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.